different factors, but I'll go through the numbers on the parts that I buy, along with what I spent on my engine, transmission, ECU, engine harness, shifter cables, shifter box. All of that was a combo as well. And those stock accurate parts that you can acquire will be differently across the board. In your area, your region, they might cost more or less than mine. And you might buy a full car that's been wrecked in the rear for $1,000, or you might buy a really low mileage just running great for $2,000. So it just, you know, you never know what you come across. And that's the main thing that I want you to keep in mind as this calculator. I don't know how I'm gonna format the video, but I got something cooking up here. The calculator's ticking away. We're trying to do a quick one take and tell you how much it costs from a case swap. So I want you to keep that in mind. How you acquire your parts might, you know, change your costs. I didn't get any discounts or anything like that, but just the sense of your private party marketplace might be different, I guess. So with that being said, man, we're getting towards the end here, and the cost, did not think it'd be that high. And then once we get toward the end, we were like, damn, oh, spent that much? I didn't think I'd spend that much, honestly. It added up pretty slowly, honestly. By comparison to do like the swap for the Subaru, that was an expensive piece of money to throw. Piece of money, chunk of money. That's an interesting descriptor. Anyways, that's what it costs for the K-swap. We're here, boys. We're live. We're doing it, and I guess I just wanted to answer that. Now there might be like maybe $500 more I spent on like random shit that I forgot, including like fluids, intermediate, like the mid-section input shaft, just this small stuff. $80 here, $40 there, a sensor there, sensor here that I may have like forgot to throw in the total cost, and the oil and the coolant. So $500 on top of what I spent, and that's what you're spending. Man, that, not too bad. I mean, I bought the car for a certain amount, and then I paid for all that, and then that's what it took to run. Granted, that was open header at the time, and some of the parts were, you know, they were lesser than. I'm still getting rid of those parts, but man, to K-swap a car for under, you know, that's still for the parts that I got billet, shifter, and some cool stuff, so I could have splurged less, but man, I'm stoked on it, honestly. It's this car's been a good one. Now, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe for more. If you want to check out the K-swap process, man, I got it all over the channel. Check that out. If you're looking to swap your GC8, you're interested in that as well, check that out. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'll be here for a while, boys. It's like what I like to do. Learn with me, let's grow together, let's make it happen.